yun? Oh, what someone do you have it? Paspasaan na Jack, excuse Jack. Jackie.
Yes. Go faster, kids, and everybody go back to your seat. Okay. Don't be shy. It's your birthday. Everybody clap your hands. Kambal lang, kambal. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, everybody clap your hands. Gusto mag-give this na gusto ma-receive this afternoon. Don't be shy. Diba? Don't be shy. Mami, saan po ito ipinatali? Or binili talaga? Hi, Miyuki. Hi, Miyuki. Ate Nana, your tita, and of course, so what do you want to say? Kasi mo gusto iwan sa ilahat na. Sige na, don't be shy. Go natin. Anything. What do you want to say? Sige. And we have Mommy and Daddy, Tita and Tito. Welcome to Sayuri's birthday. I hope you enjoy. And of course, lahat po talagang magsasaya. Ilang taon na ba si Sayuri, mga kids? Ha? 6? Kung kinsa ang... Okay, kung kinsa ang maka-answer sa akong question, tagaan ako game prizes. Sige, go! Si Sayuri? 6! Yay! Dahil dyan, deserving naman yung makatanggap si Miyuki ng game prizes. O, diba? Parang siya... Yay! Parang siya lang ang birthday celebrant. Tapos, ayun na uli na si Sayuri. Kids, unahan lang, ha? Okay, so this time, as we celebrate the 6th birthday of our birthday celebrant, namely, okay, Sayuri. Sayuri ba ang kanyang name, ma'am? Okay, sige. Now, who among you here, kids, knows the complete name of our birthday? Wait for my go, Kian. Okay, go back. And, eto na. Go! Ayun, halata naman. Kuya, busog-busog. Kuya Kim. Okay. Kasi ang kawan ka rin dire. Oh, ayun. Si Mami. Nasaan po yung baby natin, Mami? Ayan, diligid siya kuan. Diligid siya kuan ng Mami. Wala pa, kaling pa. Sige. Okay, eto na. Kung saan ang kompleto nga pangalan ni Sayuri?
Sayuri Binagari.
Yung middle name?
Bourbon.
Okay, sige, kumpletuhin natin ito.
Sayuri Bourbon Nagari.
Okay, Sayuri Bourbon Makahari. Tama?
Naga.
Yes. Okay, tama po ba, tita? Oh, pabor-pabor lang. So much. Yay. Okay, I have one. Okay, eto na. Ay, isa pa. Sa Jolly Town, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sige, eto na. Haley. First,
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Who else?
Popo.
Popo. Who else?
Hattie.
Hattie. Who else? Si? Isip-isip, ha?
Darling.
Twirly. And the last one?
Siam.
Siyam. Okay, this time. Tama. Okay, this time naman. Okay, Siyam. Anong paboritong pagkain? Twirly.
Ice cream.
Si Popo.
French
Si Jollibee.
Amot.
Ayun. Okay, lahat ng pagkain paborito ni Jollibee, pero yung pinaka-paborito ni Chicken Joy. Yay! Thank you so much. Sayuri. Okay, sige, this time, go back to your seats now, mga kids. Go back to your seats. And this time, I would like to acknowledge all the kids. Certified King, JD, Joyno, Josh, Miyuki, yung feeling celebrate natin this afternoon. Rob, Aliza, Cyril, Kian here, and then si Sayuri. Okay, but this time, okay, eto muna. Unahin muna natin si Kian. Okay, Kian. Hi, Kian. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. O, diba? Muna. Hello. 4. Okay, this time. Okay. Pusong ba to? Isa na. Yung feeling celebrate. Okay, do you know how to sing ABCD ni Yuki? Oh, di ba galing? Ang galing. Yay, thank you so much. Additional game prizes para kay Miyuki. Ayan. Nanguhuli lang ang birthday celebrant. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much, Miyuki. Ayan. Sayuri, come here. Ang time na nandito tayo sa Jollibee, together with your friends, your tita, and your nana. Natin dito. Forward kamay mga kids, faster, forward kamay. Okay, kayong dalawa. Dina. Very good. Magaling. Bravo. Ayan. Okay, everybody just follow your rest. If you want to dance, just dance. Then we will choose one for the boys and one for the girls again for our best dance. Everybody, let's Okay, in Tagalog word, orange pa rin. Orange pa rin sa Tagalog word. O, sige. Okay. Kids. Yes. Okay, listen to your Kuya next first. This time, our game number 1 is, that game is, we're always using that game every party. So, sa'yo ng kaayo. All you need to do is to pass the balloon into your right side while the music is playing. And of course, when the music won't stop, once the balloon ready to say, you are, okay, out. Sige ha? Okay, try out mga kids. Kuya Rex, ready? Okay, again, kids, I have one question. Are you ready? Okay, ready na, ready na. Go, go, go! Pass the balloon! Faster! 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa! Who's the last stop? Huh? Is it last stop? No! Hindi ka sinasadya. Ito talaga ang gusto ng balik ko. Wow! Sarap! Whoa! Just now! See? Thank you so much, Cyril! Yay! Don't you want... Chad, thank you so much for your chat. Okay, kids, don't shout. Don't shout kasi sila ang airdrop ko. Okay, and go! Ayan ang mga kids. Abby, thank you so much, Abby. Okay, pila na lang, kaganta. Okay, sige, go. Oops.
Nahak si Miyuki!
Oops. Sige. Okay, thank you so much, Twitter. Okay. Konti ka na, go! Oh! Hindi na abot. Okay, so we need to say, si Aliza ang Okay, pila na lang abot sabihin? 4. Sige, go! Oh! Ayun, sige. Oh! Nako, palaging safe si Sayori. Ha? We will find out who will be the winner and go! Faster! Pass the balloon! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6! Sino? Ikaw, Sayuri, what do you want to say to JD?
Good luck, son. Good luck.
Good luck din. Sige, and go! Sino kaya ang winner? Ang birthday celebrant or si Kuya JD. Eto na ang isang baton. So, teka lang. Sa iyo po ang nakahawak ng balon. Sino ang dalawa ang winner? Isa po wala yung ako, taas ka mo. Eh, mga kids, ha? Sige. Okay, kasi una. Si Kuya na. Ikaw na, Kuya, ako na. Ha? Sige, ikaw na, Kuya. Ha? Bakit? Kuya Jen, ay Kuya Rex, ikaw na ang mag-count. Sige. We'll wait for Kuya Rex first. Then, pinay po si Francis. So, kaya, okay, Francis, ito na. Magda na. Kuya Rex, are you ready? Ready. Sige, ready na. Francis, eto na. Happy 6th birthday sa Yuri. Your timer starts.
Happy 6th birthday sa Yuri.
Again na mag-Tagalog ngayon. Okay, Kuya. Ganito lang ang gagawin. Ha? Okay, birthday sa Yuri. Kaya o ulit? Okay, ganun. Alam mo na mga... Ito ka muna kay Kuya Rex. Daya mo ha. Ayan. Sige. What is your Kuya Rex? Bila? Bilis naman? At least ay out na. O sige. Ikaw naman, Tagalog din. Ano po? Sa? Ayan, saan yung banda? Dito yung sa Valencia? Sa Lupo. Naku. Okay, yan. Yan, Brian. Alexander! Alexander! Yay! Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. Natin. Gamay na itong girl. Ikaw na lang. Pila sila kabo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we will have, okay, Kuya Rex, please group them into 9, 9, 7 ticket. Sige. Dapat, iwalay. Wala bang go? Wait for my go. Sige. Boys, all you need to do is to form that translate. Okay? So your pattern is the rice meal. Kuya Rex, dito ka na lang sa boys. Wala bang go? Nako, ito 1 minute. Okay, dapat na-form na yan. Ha? Okay, sige. Your timer starts now. Go! Boys, wider! Hindi yan mag-form. Kapit na mahuman ang girls. Kapit na mahuman. Go, Kuya Rex! Bilis, Kuya Rex! Natatalo na kayo! 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 40. Kunti na lang. Anong nangyari, Mami? Akala ko ba confident? Ang performance pag... Hey, it's a lady. Bilis! Nako, namumulayan ang mga girls! Bilis! Namumulayan ang mga girls. Akala ko confident. Ayun. Nahihirapan ko si Mami. Bilis, go! Yung workout! Bilis! Kuya Rex, ang bagay mo ha? Isang oras na po. Go, malapit na! Malapit na! Yung girls, wala pa rin? Wala pa rin? Okay. Hey, boys, congratulations, boys. Congratulations. Alright, everybody go back to your seats now. O, sige na, balik na sa ito lang. Okay, go faster. Go back to your seats now. Seats na kanta na po ang pagkain ninyo mga kids, mommy and daddy. Go. Inside. Sa isang table dapat apat lang para delete to at tubot. Sige na, go. Ayan. Upat-upat lang po your ex para delete to at tubot. O, laro lang laro. Wala tayong magagawa. Tayo rin before. Let's sing first. Happy birthday! Go back to your seats now, and we will now serve you your ham sarap, the Jollibee spaghetti, the Jollibee yum burger, the chocolate sundae, and the Jollibee regular Coke in cap. Okay, relax. Okay, so get ready kids because Jollibee a moment from now. Okay, he will be coming here to celebrate also the 6th birthday of our birthday celebrant, Sayuri. Sayuri, hi, kumusta si Sayuri? Sige na, kumusta si Sayuri? Oh, everybody look at the camera now. Kumusta? How are you? So, ayan. So, dapat maraming picture para daghan tag-i-upload sa Facebook para makita ni Mommy and ni Daddy. O, di ba? Gusto mo yun? Hindi. Gusto? May second party pa ba sa bahay? Oh, sige, you invite me. Sige na, you invite me. I miss it with Sean. Okay, kids, everybody go back to your seats now. Okay, close your eyes. And let's have now our count. Jollibee this afternoon all the way from Jollytown. Kids, sabay-sabay tayo mag-countdown from 10 down to 1. And go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa na ng mga kids natin. Baka nakalimutan to, nandito ba si Sayuri? Alright, Jollibee, alam ka muna dito, Jollibee. Samahan mo na natin yung birthday celebrant natin. Boys, girls, everybody go back to your seat. Ate sa yung stand.
Jack, sa Jack.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3, and smile sa Yuri. Ayan, okay, so this time, Jollibee, let's sing first happy birthday for Ate Sayuri, ha? Dapat mag-enjoy si Sayuri this afternoon. Okay, kids, let's sing happy birthday. Ayan, dyan ka muna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, this time, kiss Jollibee. Kiss, hug Jollibee off. Ayan. Of course, si Jollibee may surprise gift para kay Ate Sayuri at si Jollibee nagsasabi, Dear Tita and Nanay, thank you for choosing Jollibee a part of your child's birthday celebration. We are so happy to have had the opportunity to be part of such an important occasion. We look forward to celebrating with you again. Be happy. Our best friend, your best friend, my best friend, Jollibee! Yay! Yay! Wow, thank you so much, Jollibee. Thank you so much for the wonderful gift. And of course, pwede ba natin i-open ang gift ni Sayuri? Let's open the gift. There, oh. Yung isa. Yung isa ko. Yes, that one. Galing saan po yan? Ayan. Galing saan? Galing kay Tita Irish. Thank you so much for the gift. Okay, let's open the gift of Tita Irish. Sige, sit down muna. Sit down. Okay, Jollibee, you help Sayuri. Jollibee, you help Sayuri. Let's open that one. Ano ba yung alaman nito? Ang house and lot. House and lot na artificial. One. Dapat makita ng lahat. Pati yung mga kids ni Tita makita din. What is that? Nakikita ko na. Nako, it's a gold. Okay, kunin mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! It's a pillow. What's that? Okay, what do you want to say to Tita Irish? Wow, thank you. Meron ka ba dyan? Nako, ang wala na dala ko ang walay balloon. Sige, go picture again. Okay, picture. Sige, hold to Jollibee. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Yes, okay, thank you so much. Ayan, bago po tayo magpapatuloy. Okay. Jollibee, are you ready? Are you ready, Jollibee? Yes, lyrics, are you ready? Okay, ready. Ito na. Okay, again, palakpakan natin.
Ipatos ko sa'yo rin ito. Dance mo, dance!
And, babae sa tanan boys, babae sa. Go for your next. Boys first. Ay, girls first. Girls. Ayan, go girls. Sayuri, where are you? Girls, go sa mama and your friend, please join.
Tumika ka, tumika.
1, 2, 3, and boys, backward, boys. Backward. 1, 2, 3. Boys, backward, boys. Backward. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, and smile, girls. Mommy. Show your... Oh, boys, gano'n na sa kanya, boys. Okay lang ito. Hala, iiyak na yan, iiyak na. Sige, go, boys, faster. Go, faster, boys. Faster, diba naman yung tsura? Please smile and finger walk guys. Oh, very good. From the side of sa mga mommies and daddies dyan, circle dyan, huwag lang the opportunity na kuha ka.
After a year and 6 months, no longer me that you want. But I love you so much it hurts. Never mistreated you once. I pour my heart out to you. Let's have a pop for the God. I pour my brains in your lap. Lay here and die in your own. Got to my knees and I'm bleeding. I'm trying to stop you from leaving. You won't even listen so long. I'm trying to stop you from breathing. I put my
Pablo, nasa kandol, be.
It's over now. It's too late. Just gonna see strong as almost.
Picture, Jack. Oy, oy.
Smile guys, smile guys.
Berita kambang dua.
Yoki!
Ada yang bagus kan?
Yoki,
Kantay sa ninyo. Happy birthday to you. Ako ramay. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Picture sila, pablihin na yun. Satu ka kung ginagamit ka. Jack, picture Jack. Lee. Jack, picture mo ka. Kayo lagi. Jack. Bastos ay, bagang John. Takagi ka paglukot. Ayun eh. Wow! Okay, may pakialam sa regalo. Ablihan. Wow, Hello Kitty. Miyoke, wa ba na human? Miyoke, unsa na? Hoy.
Nanginingan. Unsa lagi na lang guys doon.
Hoy, video na, dili picture.
Upload. Kasi content ana dia.
Ma, kamu ma. Dili dapit na ba? Dili ano. Silang sa yuri mo picture.
Kay maura man ang kuan na. Nga na bilang style. Sayo re. Tingnan mama tata, salamat. Mama tata. Mai. Na, bitaw. Picture sa uban ng mga bata ko. Ama kayo re. Sige na kay. Ay, tidak di kan mama. Patuon. Dai. Sige na, in the name of the Father.
Sila doon kini pala dyan.